Everyone, it's Heidi the Strange, and I don't usually do things like this, but I'm going to start, I think, because it's kind of important. The world that we're living in right now is very, very messed up. And so I will occasionally bring some stories that are messed up. The state of the world as it is today, there's plenty of stories out there, and this is one of them. Researchers have resurrected dead birds as drones, thanks to taxidermy. Um, these researchers have successfully developed drones from the bodies of stuffed dead birds. While a little macabre, the team members believe such drones could one day be used to watch animals without being seen. But, as revealed at the American Institute of Aeronautics SciTech 2023 forum, the same taxidermy drones could be used to spy on human subjects by government or military. See, this is where it gets really iffy, and it has all the information in the article, and I'll make sure to post it in the comments section if anyone even bothers to watch my videos. But this is this is actually pretty terrifying. Something I don't think we should be doing. This will be used to spy on us. So that's the story of the day. Resurrected drone birds. And I'm out of here, and I hope you've had a good weekend.